My name is Raghi. I am here for last 2 months. I came here to visit Leh and Ladakh, but I think it's too long a time. I'm here to visit a friend, but generally लोग यहाँ पे 5 to 7 days या 10 days के लिए आते हैं. I would suggest यहाँ पर आने के लिए there are some prerequisites. जो भी आ रहे हैं, it's a very beautiful place, untouched place, and very few people get to come here. It's India का एक ऐसा हिस्सा है जहाँ पे सबको आना चाहिए, एक बारी देखना चाहिए. It's such a beautiful place, and maybe जब आप itinerary बनाते हैं यहाँ पे तो उसमें 2 days I think you all should keep extra, because यहाँ पे acclimatization is a must thing. People with heart diseases, with asthma, and old age people with some knee problem or some problems like this should be little careful while coming, because यहाँ जो monasteries हैं उनकी बहुत सारी stairs हैं I would say, और उसको चढ़ने के लिए you really need strength. और I want to say there are many monasteries here लेकिन आप जब भी आएँ, you don't rush to all the monasteries. Please pick and choose 2 to 3 monasteries, because monasteries, all of them, they are different but somewhat they look alike. Like you can go to Thiksey monastery, which is very famous here. You can go to Hemis monastery, which is also very famous. One is Kali Mata Mandir. They say it Kali Mata Mandir, but it's a monastery only. So 2-3 monasteries if you do, I think पूरा आपका monasteries cover हो जाएगा. And monasteries are very beautiful. जब लद्दाख festival होता है, they have their mask dances होते हैं, but either you have to see that time, that what time you're coming. The best season to visit here is from May to October, and that time it is very pleasant here. उसके बाद November onwards यहाँ पे temperature dip होने लगता है, and it becomes very cold. तो बच्चों के लिए and बड़ों के लिए it will be little difficult to have that, because it becomes very windy here. बहुत windy हो जाता है. उसके बाद after monasteries you can do आप यहाँ एक खारदुंगला पास which is 17,000 feet. उसके लिए आपको अच्छे से acclimatization होना ज़रूरी है. There is a small temple there just in front of खारदुंगला पास. Very beautiful with lots of flags and bells. और वहाँ जाओ आप, and बहुत सुंदर है वो. And you can stop for about 15 minutes there. I think you shouldn't spend much time there because it's on a great height and you may have some breathing problems there. So 15 minutes is okay. Thereafter you must go to Rizangla. Rizangla is the place where China and India war took place in 1962. और वहाँ पर जो मेमोरियल है, रज़ांगला वॉर मेमोरियल, that's very close to my heart. मैं वहाँ गई थी, and when you go there you get to know how Indian soldiers have fought, and with bravery and with so much less equipment, less clothing. Almost I think only 100 soldiers have fought 3,000 soldiers of China. So I think it's a achievement in itself कि हम लोगों ने इतनी बड़ी सेना को हमने मतलब जीता, and it's a proud moment. And when you go there, so the feeling is all different. So I think आपको वहाँ ज़रूर जाना चाहिए. Rizangla War Memorial देखने के बाद we went to Chushul Valley. I think it's in Chushul Valley only. वहाँ पे there is a movie which is played. वो सारा बताते हैं how the war took place and what all activities happened when, where. So that is also a very emotional movie, and I think we all should see that how Indian soldiers अपने देश की हम लोग रक्षा करते हैं. And हम लोग यहाँ पे we just come कि हम we'll go visit Ladakh, go shop, ये देखेंगे, Pangong Tso देखेंगे. Pangong Tso से मुझे याद आया, Pangong Tso Lake is the heart of Leh trip. Pangong Tso Lake, it is said कि it's a lake, but I think it's more than a lake because Pingong So is spread over 45 kilometers. It's just like a mini sea, I would say. It is so beautiful. It has, you know, different, colors and gradients of blue shade, turquoise blue to, sky blue to dark blue to green. I mean, I can't describe. You have to go and see it. And वहाँ से तो आने का मन ही नहीं करता. And you know, as you drive by पूरा Pangong So Lake, it is spread over I think 40-45 kilometers. आप चलते जाते हो and you know it flows along with you. So it's a beautiful lake. Somoriri is another lake to visit, which is not so big, but it's also a very beautiful lake to see. If you visit, Rizangla War Memorial and you keep going straight, so you reach the place Somoriri, and उसके आगे जब आप जाएंगे तो आगे आपको मिलेगा एक hot water spring that is also there, which is in Chumathang. So Chumathang is a place जहाँ पे hot water spring, and whosoever goes there, it's a very beautiful place. You will see yaks, herd of pashmina goats. आपको बहुत सुंदर लगता है. You feel like you are in the lap of nature. So there are some places, there are some resorts, some guest rooms where you can go take a bath in hot water tubs, or maybe you can straight away go to springs, and if you are comfortable, तो आप वहाँ springs में directly you can take a hot water bath. So that is about this. And now come back to Leh for other things like shopping. Shopping, I would say Leh market is very big, full of restaurants. There are many restaurants like I would say एक दो जगह जहाँ हम गए हैं, like kitchen, कौन सा kitchen है वो?
Nas Cafe.
Nas Cafe is there. एक Yak Boy है जहाँ पे momos are very famous, and there are 2-3
Ladakh
Sarai is one place where the ambience is very beautiful and the food is also very good. You must try that. Then Sabu village is another small village जहाँ पे there is a Sabu resort. It's a very अंदर interior में जाके है थोड़ा सा, but you will feel a very different feeling, very unlike main market or something. बड़ा अलूफ सा है, बहुत सुंदर सा है, very serene place. So Sabu resort in Sabu village, then Ladakh Sarai as I mentioned, then Yak Boy in main market. It's a very small joint where you get lovely momos, mutton momos, veg momos, whatever you like to eat. Shopping ka I would tell you most of the stuff is Kashmiri. So in case you've been to Kashmir, then you wouldn't like to buy much. And the second best thing here is silver jewelry and semi-precious stones, which ladies die for. They want to buy that. So there are some shops. I like Himalayan Gems. It's in the middle of the market, and it's a very big store though, but it has got good collection. You can check that for that. Otherwise, there are some souvenirs. For souvenirs, there are keychains, the T-shirts. There are other small things, some decoration pieces, and यहाँ का लद्दाख के brass kettles and all those things. So it's up to you what you want to buy. But yes, when you are coming here, please make a 10-day itinerary to come, because 5 दिन में कुछ नहीं होगा, आप सिर्फ थक जाओगे. You won't be able to explore. So I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you so much. Do come and visit Leh Ladakh. It's very beautiful. Jule.